Hey everyone. So it's actually my birthday tomorrow, and excuse my radio voice. I've had a cold. It's really bad. But after work today, I got to come home to this. It finally came. Been like over a month of waiting, and oof, early birthday present. Look at that. It is, as many people have said, better than I anticipated. When I first did those clicks, that's what really got me. I went, oh my god. They are so sharp and crisp and clean. I don't know how he gets that happening. I just wanted to give you a really good look at the labyrinth pattern because I haven't seen a lot of it on the group lately. I'm not sure a lot of people got this one. It's really quite something. The swirly bits are all raised, and then in between it's this beautiful textured part underneath. Can't really describe it. I'll just show you here. Really something. I'll stop gawking and go gawk privately. But thank you so much, Pluke. Thank you so much, Ivan. Really quite a work of art.